English class. Today I am going to start block 2 children. So those who haven't seen our previous videos, please do watch from YouTube channel. First block has been already completed. See the videos, complete your workbooks, complete your class. Okay children? Today, now I am going to start block 2. What is block 2 children? Name of the block: people, places, animals and things. In this we have lesson number 1, naming words. In this lesson we have keywords. What are the keywords? People, places, things, animals, naming words. Now let me explain you what is naming words. Naming words are words that name people, places, things and animals are called naming words. Naming words are nothing but children, names of all the people, all the things, animals and places. For example, let me take my name. What is my name? My name is Nusrat. So Nusrat is a naming word. And your name, it can be Raju, Mo, Soni, Hina, all the names of your friends, your parents' name, uncle, auntie, grandma, grandpa, all the names of peoples are called naming words children. Then names of places. Places, example will take a school. School is a place where you come and study. So school is a naming word. You will go to temple. Yes children, that is also name of a place. Okay. And then Bombay, Delhi, all these are the names of places. Now let me explain you things. What are the things? Let us take example of your bag. What are the things you have in your bag? Bag, books, pencil, eraser, sharpener. Yes children, all these comes under things. All the names of things are called naming words. And now let us see animals. We can see so many animals children. Okay, cat, dog, hen, lion, tiger, monkey, elephant, all these are names of animals. So it comes under naming words. Naming words are also known as nouns children. So what we are going to learn today? We are learning nouns. All the names of people, places, animals and things are called naming words. Naming words are also known as nouns. Now children, look at this chart. Nouns on the top. It is written nouns, naming words. Words that name people, places, things, animals are called naming words. Naming words are also known as nouns. See children here, people. Who comes under people children? Your teacher, you as a student, here your mother, father, children. All these names comes under people. Okay, next let us see places. See children here, places. Places, what is this? This is the temple, this is the house, this is a garden. All the names of the places are also called as naming words children. Now let us see things. Things you can see children in this picture. There is a blackboard, box, pencil, eraser, books, bag, dustbin. All these are things. Now let us see animals. Animals, cat, dog, rabbit, lion, all the animals comes under animals column. Naming words, all these are called naming words children. Name of people, places, things and animals. Now children, open your English workbook. Page number 16 children. Write today's date. Heading naming words. Write each naming word in the correct box. Children, here some pictures are given. So we have to see the word and we have to write it in the correct box. Whether it comes under people, places, things or animals. Okay children? As I told you, naming words are nothing but names of everything. All the people, places, things and animals. Let us see picture 1. Cat. Cat is what children? C-A-T, cat. Cat is an animal. So where we will write here? Here we will write animals column. We will write the spelling of cat. Come on. C-A-T. A T, cat. Next, what is the picture here given? SCHOOL, school. This is the picture of school. School is what, children? School is name of a place. So where is place column? Here are the place column. We will write here SCHOOL, school. Fine. Now next picture is of PEN, pen. Pen is what, children? Pen is things. It comes under things. Let us write things. PEN, pen is a thing. Okay, children? Come on. Now let us see what is the next picture. Next picture is balloon. 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 Balloon is what, children? Balloon is again comes under thing. Okay? Let us write BALLOON. Balloon. Spelling from here you can see and copy. Next, what is the picture? Man. MAN, man. Man means people. Where is people's column, children? Here we have to write MAN, man, in people column. Next, see this picture. This is the picture of a bag. BAG, bag. So bag is a thing. So it comes under things column. BAG, bag. Next, what is the picture here? This is the picture of a hen. HEN, hen. Hen is what, children? Hen is an animal. So where we will write? In animals column. Write down HEN, hen. Now next picture is what? Home. HOME, home. Home is what, children? Home is place where we live. So it is a place. It comes under places column. So we will write here HOME, home. We completed first bit. Now let us go to second bit, children. Second bit is add another word in each box. So we have to write one more word in each box. One name of the people we have to write, name of a place, thing and animal. So people, what we can write, children? We can write here boy. BOY, boy. Okay? Boy, girl, father, mother, friend, anything, any one word you can write, children. Okay? Now come next box is places. So come on. Now what we can write in this column? Market. 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 Market you can write. Cinema hall you can write. Mall you can write. And you can write house, school, paradise, park lane. Any name of the place you can write. Garden. Okay, children? Now let us go to the next column is things. Things what we can write? There are so many things to write. Fan, light, pencil, bed, bag, book, chair, scale. Okay, so we will write here book. BOOK, book. Now let us come to the animal columns. Okay, animal column. So here name some animals, children. What are the animals? Cat is given on the top. So dog. Hen also given on the top. Dog, cat, lion, tiger. So many animals are there. Okay, let us write dog. DOG, dog. You can write name of any animal. Okay, children?